10 years ago, I started with a broken computer. Today, I'm building cyber labs, recording courses, and creating content from different parts of the world. And today, this is Bangkok. This is Bangkok. This is where I'm today. But my journey did not start here. My journey started many years ago, repairing computers, assembling machines, and working in warehouses full of hardware. I still remember those days cleaning computers, doing cabling, working on networking, servers, Linux, Windows, virtualization, and slowly understanding how IT systems really work. It was not easy in the beginning, but I wanted to learn, grow, and build a better future. So, step by step, I kept learning and moving forward. Over the years, I worked in different companies, and every place taught me something new. I learned from great managers, mentors, colleagues, and real work experience. Along the way, I also started teaching students, and honestly, seeing people grow in their careers became one of the biggest motivations in my life. Slowly, my career moved into cybersecurity and leadership roles, and today I'm leading cybersecurity for a region. Over the years, I built labs, created courses, wrote books, and continued teaching and learning. And I'm still learning every day. And now I thought I should start this YouTube channel and share everything I have learned over the years. You know, in IT and cybersecurity, many people feel lost in the beginning. I was also confused when I started. So, on this channel, I want to share knowledge, labs, career guidance, and real industry experience that can help you grow step by step. If you are a student working in IT or planning to move into cybersecurity, this channel is for you. It takes time, it takes patience, and it takes continuous learning, but it is absolutely possible to build a great career in this field. If my journey from repairing computers in warehouses to working in cybersecurity can happen, then many more people can do it. They just need the right direction and continuous learning. This is my journey, and I'm really happy that you are now a part of it. Welcome to my channel.